Hey guys, here's our lesson for Monday, November 30th. Alright, so here's what I want you to do first. Go ahead and copy this down in your notebook. Push pause and copy it down, and then I will move on here in just a second. So go ahead and push pause, copy it down. Okay, now that you've got that part down, there's got a little bit more you need to copy down, so push pause and copy the rest of these down. Alright, moving on now. We are going to what we need to do next, let me just check this here. Okay, what we need to do next is we're going to we're going to find the slope and the Y-intercept of these lines after we graph them. So go to this website, Google GeoGebra, okay, and then when you get that, click on GeoGebra Classic right here. Alright, if I'm going fast, go ahead and push pause and rewind. You can watch it, okay? That way, I just don't want this video to be too long. Alright, so we got all of our tools here. Let me just go ahead and make it. There we go, we got our tools. So we're going to plug in y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. So we go ahead and do this. Y equals negative 1. Now, we need to get a fraction, okay? Got to have a fraction. So down here, push this little thing right here, hit divide. Alright, we're going to be in here. Okay, push divide, and you're going to get a fraction. Alright, and then we don't want our x right here on the bottom. Alright, where we want it is, we want our x right there next to it. So go ahead and push if you're down on the bottom, okay, push this right arrow, and it'll go right there and get your x. Alright, we want plus 1. Okay, and then if you leave it, it should be a graph like that. Okay, so we got our graph. Okay, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. We got a graph. Now we got to find the slope. So to find the slope, remember that on the graph we need rise over run. So let's add some points to our graph so that you can find your slope. So go ahead and click this tool right here. Click a point and just click any point on the line. All right, and let's find another point on the line right there. So we've got 2 points. Now we need to find the slope. So remember, slope is rise over run. So let's start at point A. Our rise goes up and down. To get from point A to B, we have to go down. So when we go down, it's negative 1. So we're going to go down 1. So let's write negative 1 for our slope. Now we're going to have to do our run. So we're going to go down 1, and then we're going to go to the right 2. And when we go to the right, it's positive. So there's our slope. Down 1, right 2. So negative 1/2 is our slope. Down 1, right 2. Alright, now point of intersection with the y-axis. So here's our y-axis. Our y-axis goes up and down, up and down. So the point of intersection of our y-axis is going to be right, boom, right there. Okay, y-axis and our line intersect right here. And if you want to know the coordinate, well, let's just come over here and look. 0, 1. It says it right there for us. So what we're going to do, put a 0, 1 right there. Alright, we'll do one more now to help you out, and then you can fill in the rest on your own. Y equals negative x plus 2. Come back to GeoGebra. Click here. Click these 3 dots. Hit delete. And it's all gone. So y equals negative x plus 2. Y equals negative x plus 2. We got this line. Okay, remember we got to find our slope first. Let's add the 2 dots. Alright, we've got dot 1 here. We'll put dot 2 right there. And we got to do rise over run. So our rise, we're going to start at point A. We're going to go down 1, down 2, down 3. So remember, we went down 3, so it's going to be negative 3. So down 1, down 2, down 3. We're going to go to the right now, so this is going to be a positive number. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. So we went down 3, right 3, so negative 3 over 3. And we need to simplify when we can. So that simplifies to negative 1. Alright, now we got to find our point of intersection with the y-axis. Remember, y-axis goes up and down, starts right there. There's our intersection, and that is over here at 0, 2, 0, 2. Alright, and we've got it. Alright, so that's it. We're going to use GeoGebra to help us fill in the rest of this table.